an amazing manifestation story which I found on the official website of The Secret. Usually I read the stories over there and I feel so much inspired, and when I read this particular story I really felt to share this with all of you because this is what all you need. So this story is a love story, and it includes love manifestation, of course. So I'm going to read out this story, and if you want to read this story on your own, then the link is in the description, you can check it out. Okay, so now let's start the story. Okay, so I'm going to read this story, and it is submitted by Life is Beautiful. So there is no name. Okay, so I watched The Secret in 2008 when I was pursuing engineering, but I didn't actually use it at that time. However, unknowingly, I thought about all the qualities I would want in my man, and I felt happy about it. Surprisingly, I got all of those things in my best friend who proposed in 2012 when we got jobs in the same company. I realized this was all I ever wanted, and it was around the corner all these years. I was over the moon, so happy I couldn't help smiling all day. After a while, he feared he would lose me, and this negatively led us to being transferred to different cities. We were miles away and he couldn't tolerate it. He freaked out, and one day he broke up with me without giving me any reason. I was shattered. I was alone in the city with no one to talk to, no one to share with, and only loneliness surrounding me. I couldn't take it anymore. I started reading The Power and started applying it. I thought that he was still with me. I wished him good morning and told him about my day, told him that I loved him, and I believed that I was with him in the same city. The next day on his birthday, I went to office, and to my surprise, the HR of the company offered me a place in the same city where he was residing. I was amazed. She said I would be transferred tomorrow. My wish came true. It would have been the happiest moment if he wanted me there. But that was not the case. I started my new life in this city of dreams, and I tried everything. I was thankful for everything. I made space in my wardrobe for his clothes. I slept on the one side of the bed, and I watched our favorite movies as a couple. The result was he would sometimes text me at night, and after talking casually, he would say that I should forget him and move on in my life. I didn't give up, and this happened for about 3.5 years. I did not know what I was doing wrong. It was not working. Then my parents started to search a groom for me for my wedding. They wanted me to meet a guy. I met him. He liked me, and he agreed to get married to me. I was heartbroken, but I let my love go. I told my friends, including him, that my engagement was fixed. He congratulated me and said he was very happy for me. For a month, I struggled to build the new relationship, and I wanted to scream at top of my voice that I loved someone else. And guess who came back the next day? Yes, you are correct. My love came back after all these years. He said he couldn't think of anyone else in all these years, and he wanted me in his life. He was scared earlier to take this step, but now he was ready. I was shocked, surprised, astonished, happy, angry, tearful, and 100 different things. After all this time, now you choose to tell me that you want to spend your life with me? I said that I and my family have some commitments now, and this can't happen. That night, I talked to the current guy, and he backed off. Then the rest is history. We are back together. We have been married for 3 years, and we have a beautiful kid together. My life is beautiful again. Thank you to The Secret for showing me faith, making me grateful, and bringing back my love. So this was the story, and I really loved the story. It's like a miracle happened, and if you want to attract or manifest miracle, it can give so much inspiration to you. So I hope you also love this story and it gave you some inspiration, some faith. So till then, keep going with the law of attraction. Have faith, stay connected, and good vibes to all.